Hello students, in this video we are going to cover question number 17 part 4. Okay, let's move to the question, and this is your page number 7, and whenever you are going through the videos, just check the page number so that you can learn everything in the sequence. Okay, what is the question? A particular Ferris wheel takes rider in a vertical circle. Okay, this is your first keyword. A radius is given r. Every 12 second time is given. So we can write all these things. Okay, so the first thing is r is given, which is your 9 meter. Unit is correct. Okay, every 12 second time, which is 12 second, unit is correct. Okay, a part, what we are looking for, calculate the speed. We are looking for velocity of the rider assuming to be constant. Second, draw the free body diagrams. Okay, we will move to this part. First of all, we need to understand some basics. Okay, now this is your learning part. Learning part and how to solve such kind of questions. As I told you, in terms of motion, we have the different type of things. Okay, in terms of motion, first we have the linear motion and we have the angular motion and their own relation. Okay, so that you can solve the question in a good way. Okay, the first thing, as compared to linear motion, can I say distance is your x and angular distance is your theta? And what is the relationship between x is equals to r times theta? Clear, guys? Okay, what is the unit of x? Unit of x, you need to understand this thing. Unit is meter. Unit is radian. What is the unit? Radian. Clear? And here there is we are not going to explain the units and all these things. You can just simply solve. If you are solving x, that is in the meter. Okay, this is your part 1. Now part 2. I'll change the color. Black. If you have the word called velocity, so can I say v is equals to x by t? This much we understand. Yes or no? Okay. Then the second part, can I say angular velocity? Angular velocity, which is equals to omega. That should be theta divided by t. Yes or no? Let's say if you are moving in a full circle, so what should be the angle? 2 pi divided by t. Yes, because we can say angle is your 360 degree. Clear? Okay, and what is the relationship between these two? We have a very simple relation, that is v is equals to r times omega. R times omega. So if I solve this, both the values, if you just place the value 2 pi, so can I say x is equals to r times 2 pi? Yes or no? Similarly, v is equals to r times, what is omega? 2 pi divided by t. Yes or no? Okay. Third thing, acceleration. So that once you understand them, you can solve them in an easy way. Third is your acceleration. Okay, what is acceleration? A is equals to velocity divided by time. This much we are easily understand. Okay. Third is angular acceleration. So what is angular acceleration? That is alpha, which is equals to, that is your omega divided by time. See, angular velocity divided by time. Till here clear? And what is the relation? Relation between them? A is equals to r times omega. R times omega. Is it fine? Clear? Sure? Oh, sorry, not omega. Not. It should be alpha. R times alpha. Clear, guys? Understand? Okay. Now the major point, what you need to understand. As compared to acceleration, we have two types. or you simply say three types. One is your tangential acceleration, AT, tangential acceleration. Okay. Second is your centripetal acceleration. Third is total acceleration. Okay, first you should know what is AT. You have a simple formula, R times alpha. What you understand here, all these things are tangential. So can I say all the relations are called tangential relationship? Clear? Okay. Now the word is centripetal, which is also called AC. We have three formulas. First is V square over R, omega square R, and we have V omega, depending upon the question what value is given. Okay, and total acceleration is the combination. So A is equals to root of AT square plus AC square. Clear? Till here clear? Okay guys, now we can solve all the questions in a easy way. Okay. Now guys, what is given? Just try to understand. A Ferris wheel takes a riders in vertical circle. Radius is given, time is given. Calculate the speed. Okay, time is given. So can I say velocity is R omega? Yes or no? Velocity is equals to R omega. Can I use this formula? V is equals to R omega. So what is the equation? R times 2 pi by T. Can I say V is equals to R times 2 pi divided by T. So place the values. V is equals to, what is the value of R? 9 multiply 2 pi divided by time is 12. So what is your answer? V is equals to, okay, solve it fast. 4.712. Okay, what should be the unit? Meter per second. Meter per second. Clear? Till here clear? Okay. Now the second question, second part. Draw the free body diagram. Okay, we need to draw the free body diagram of a rider at a time when she's at the bottom of the circle. Okay guys, I will explain you two things here. How to draw the free body diagram at the bottom and at the top. Okay, let's take your case number B. This is your case number A, finish. Case number B. Okay, let's say first at the top, how to solve the free body diagram and how to solve your you can say net force also, you can solve it. Okay, let's say body is at the top. Okay, this is your body. So what you need to understand, this factor is your N and this factor is your mg. Okay, as we know, simply draw a free body diagram. Free body diagram. Okay, draw like this. I'll make it big. So you can just place a point like this, small n and bigger one mg, because the body is going down. And what we are looking for? We are looking for net force. So what is the meaning of net force? F net force, which is equals to centripetal force. What is the difference? Okay, I'll give you the example so that you can understand. Body is trying to go up with a value, let's say 4, and the body is trying to go down with the value of 10. So what should be the F net? Just tell me. Can I say 10 minus 4, yes or no, or 6 Newton? That is your net value. That's what you understand. Okay, so this is your F net. So can I write the formula here? F net is equals to, who is the bigger one? mg minus n. Yes or no? Is that fine? Sure. Okay, similarly after this we will solve all the values also. Okay, this is for the top. Now for the bottom also. Okay, now for bottom, let's say this is your circle and this is the body. mg, and it is going up n. So where the body is trying to go, just think and tell me. Yes, you think correctly, the body is trying to go up. This is your n. Let's say its value is 10, and this is a smaller one, this is the mg, and the value is 4. So what should be the f net? Think and tell me fast, fast, fast. F net should be equals to, who is the bigger one? N minus mg. So this is your f net value, and this is your free body diagram. Okay, can I write here free body diagram? Is it fine? You understand? So in the question you need to draw these lines. Clear? Understand? You get the equation for the bottom, you get the equation for the if they ask you for the top value, and if they ask you for the bottom value. Fine, guys? Okay, now what he said, just read the question. Draw the free body diagram. Okay, we already draw for a rider at a time when she's at the bottom of the circle. Okay, we solve both bottom as well as if the body is at the top level. Okay, now calculate, this is something very, very, very important. Calculate the normal force. We need to find out the values of the normal force exerted by the seat on the rider at the point of the ride. Okay, guys. Now, from these two equations, can I solve n? Okay, from this equation, can I say n is equals to mg minus fc? Clear? And from this, n is equals to mg plus fc. Yes or no? Okay. Now, guys, we know the mass. Do we know? Tell me. No. We know the gravity. Okay. First, solve how to solve fc. The value of fc you need to find out. Find value of fc, centripetal force, which is equals to mv square over r, because we know the v and r. Okay, can I do it? Because I need to convert in form of mg. So can I do it? M multiply with g divide with g. Yes or no? V square over r. Guys, clear? So can I solve this value? Take it mg outside. So v square over rg. Clear? Solve it. So if you solve it, mg, what is your v? What is your v? 4.7 something. Okay. So just place the value 4.7 square divided by, what is the value of r? R. Okay, just check it. R is your 9. Multiply 9.81. Okay, solve it. So what will you get? You will get 0.25 mg. That is your fc. Yes or no? Okay, so can we solve at the top and the bottom? Okay, now this is for top. Okay, solve it here at the top value. So you can just, okay, I'll add a page for you guys. No need to mix up lots of things. Okay, now we have the formula for the top. For top value, or for the top position, for the top position. So what we have n is equals to mg minus fc. So can I say mg minus, what is fc in terms of mg? 0.25 of mg. So can I say it will become, take mg outside, 1 minus 0.25, which is equals to your 0.75 times of mg. This is your normal at the top. Clear? Okay, now for the bottom position. For bottom position, you can simply solve it. For bottom position, n is equals to mg plus fc. So can I say mg plus 0.25 of mg? See, that's why I convert this na FC. Okay, so mg common 1 plus 0.25, so which is equals to your 1.25 mg. That is your at the bottom. Clear? And if someone asks you to compare, so you can simply says NB is greater than N of A. So normal force at the bottom, normal force at the bottom is greater than greater than normal force. Clear, guys? Fine. Okay, so now the major part, you understand these diagrams, free body diagrams, yes or no? This is your free body diagram. You need to show it like this. Okay, both the free body diagrams you will understand. And what is the short form? FBT. Clear, guys? So just whenever you are doing the questions, just sit relaxedly and then solve your question. Okay, guys? So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.